I'm doing a quick reading on the natural disasters that are happening all over the world. I just want to know, is it man-made, or is it nature? Is it the world causing these natural disasters? To let us know that we've got to unite as people, as community, and we've got to all have to wake up and open our eyes. We can only do that when we're suffering. That's when we wake up. Yeah, the tower's falling. People out there losing everything. The tower is falling. It needs to fall down so we can rebuild a better world. But then those flames, those sparks, could also be man-made. There's another card. That looks like a twister tornado, doesn't it? It's natural disaster. I don't think it's man-made, sorry. Well, kind of is. No. Kind of is man-made. It's just too much pollution, too much everything. We're just not looking after this planet. We are not looking after this planet. Oh. It's causing a lot of anxiety and worry and desperation for a lot of people. This is the card of anxiety and desperation. We need to come together as a community. Mother of Wands, it's Mother Nature. Mother Nature is biting. We've got to lose everything, all the material stuff. Please God, don't make us lose our lives. That would cause too much grief. It's enough losing material stuff. Daughter of Swords. There's the owl, that's the wise wisdom. We've lost our wisdom as a humanity. We've got to stop caring about money so much, material stuff. It's easily said. So Mother Nature is doing these things. Oh, sorry, I'm in a daze. The stairs to nowhere. Look at that. That looks like a disaster. We got to recreate a new world. We're being controlled. No more. I do pray for these people that are suffering at the moment. I really am. I feel so sorry for them. No one deserves this. Oh my God. I mean, I'm sitting on my bed at the moment. Safe and sound, you know what I mean? The world. Oh dear. The world's come up. Look at that. The world. Yeah, the world is suffering. The world is going through this for a reason. I mean, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do, except pray. Pray for these people. Pray for the animals, you know. Pray for the animals. Anyway, I'm going to leave it to that. Yep, justice. Just when I mentioned pets too. Pray for our pets. Pray for humanity. Pray for nature. Amen to that. Sweet dreams.